Hello, the topic today is adding a deal to Autodeals. And the way Autodeals works is whenever we're going to add a new product for a customer or sell a product, we're going to do that from the contact record. Because our contact record is where we keep track of all the history for that potential customer. So if we wanted to, whenever we're going to add a service order or a loan or a car deal or a product sale, we're going to go to contacts first. And we're going to look up that customer, and then if they're not there, we're going to add them by clicking the green plus. And then once we have the customer added in the database, we're merely going to select add deal to add a deal, add service order to add a service order, or whatever else, whatever other products you have, you will be able to add it from your contact record. And to finish this out, if we just did show you how a vehicle sale would go, in this case, I chose add a deal. I chose what kind of worksheet it is. In this case, a cash worksheet. I'm able to pick out then the inventory that goes with it. And then it takes me right into the deal that I could then work. So it's very simple. Just remember that adding a deal or any other product sale in Autodeals involves starting with the contact and adding that product or service from there. Thank you so much.